Good day guys, welcome to Offroad for Life. So this afternoon I'm going to be cooking some chicken curry. So what I've done was I had a little bit of oil in this pan. I put in some fennel seeds, a bay leaf, a star anise, possibly 3 little ilachi, and some cinnamon sticks, guys. So I'm gonna let that cook for a few seconds, not too long, and then I'm gonna add my onion. So it's half an onion, a medium-sized onion, for possibly chicken curry for 2 people, 2 small people. So stay with us guys, we'll see how this comes out. So I'll probably have my neighbor, he will probably join me for supper. And we're going to have it with a bit of bread. So guys, the oil's nicely warmed up. I'm going to add my onions. Sorry about that guys. And let this soften. And I also have a grumbling cat here, guys. Have a look at her. She could do with a little bit of weight loss. She's grumbling for a bit of food again. So that's cooking away guys. So I've got 4 little pieces of chicken. I've bought it off a local store. They're actually soft cooking, so it won't take long to cook. I'm going to add 2 small potatoes, possibly a little bit of peas. So we're just going to let that soften down a little, and then we're going to add our spices in guys. So guys, we're ready for the next step. So what I had in here after the onions are softened, a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder guys. So we're at the stage right now where I'm going to stir in all these spices. So I'm going to leave that for a few seconds, not too long guys, or the spices will burn, and I'm going to add my chicken and my potatoes. There you go guys, this is what it looks like. So I did add some of the chicken in and 2 small potatoes sliced in halves. Gonna add a little bit of salt now and let that cook guys. I'll possibly put a drop of water in just to get it going. So that's what it looks like for now. So guys, I added a little bit of water, and all I need to do now is wait for those potatoes to cook. They are soft cooking potatoes, so that shouldn't take too long. I would think in the next 15 minutes or so they should be done. So I did add a little bit of salt to taste. We'll have a look at it guys. It smells good. There you go, guys. We're possibly halfway through our cooking. So this is about, I would say about 10 minutes. Gotta put the chicken and potatoes in. So the important thing is to get the potatoes cooked, guys. The chicken is no problem. It's quite soft. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of peas in here. So I don't have any fresh coriander or dhania. I have some frozen ones. I'm just going to use that up. I did add some curry leaves in there, so this time around I didn't put any tomatoes. You could possibly add a small tomato in if you want to. I was just lazy to cut up some tomatoes, guys. So that's what it looks like, possibly halfway. So guys, I've just added some frozen dhania. I must say the fresh ones look much better, but hopefully it should improve the taste. So I'm going to add some peas, but just in the last minute, guys. So we're almost done. Possibly another 5 minutes and this should be done, guys. And that's looking good. So guys, a bit of frozen peas is going in. That would be the last step. It's going to cook for a few minutes. We should be done, guys. So there you go, guys. Took approximately 25 minutes in total. 25 to 27 minutes in total. So that's finally done. The plate's off. And there you go, guys. A little bit extra oil, I think. So I'll try and avoid that oil. Can I have a bit of bread? So we need a little bit of the gravy. There you go, guys. Chicken in a hurry. Well, once again, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers, guys.